Here I am at ruins of St Non's Chapel, which was built over the precise spot where St David, famous Saint of Wales, was born. And to celebrate what is the 900th anniversary of St David's recognition as an international saint, and after just attending a special mass for it at the Cathedral, as I said, I am now at St Non's Chapel where St David was born, and I am now going to sing our national anthem. My hen lad fyna dau an onwyd fi, glad by wrath antoddion enwoddion o free. I go o glad elwyn, glad galwyn tramad, dros ryddid complasant. I gwaith, glad, glad, gladion. Oi fym glad, tramo a fi, in fi hoff by, o badded i'r heiniaeth bai. Cywydd! So here I am at the ruins of St Non's, which is in St David's, which in Pembrokeshire, which is where St David himself was born. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way over to the well where the spring had sprung up at the time that St David was born. Despite the fact that it was raining, thunderstorms, St David, or Non, his mother St Non, was shielded under rays of sunlight whilst she was giving birth to David, the patron saint of Wales, who, as many of you know, his Saint's Day is the 1st of March. I'm here today for the 900th anniversary celebration mass of when St David was recognised as an international saint. If we go here, there's a statue of his mother, St Non, whose Saint's Day is the following day on the 2nd of March. But yeah, here I am today, as I said, 900th anniversary of St David's recognition as an international saint on the 25th of July 2023. Now I have here, right behind me, is the holy well where the spring has sprung out. So what I'm going to do while I'm here is I am going to get some holy water into this pint glass, plastic one, which I'm going to pour onto my car, which I'm considering as a blessing from St Non and St David at the well of St Non spring. There's my pint of holy water from the well, which I'm now going to pour over my car as a blessing from St Non and St David. Right, so here I am now, walking up from the holy well, where the spring is, with a pint glass of the water, which I'm now going to pour into my car as a blessing to it. So we've just come up from the ruins of the chapel. There's my car, which I'm now going to pour this holy water on. Now I'm going to pour this holy water on the car. as a blessing from St David and St Non. God bless.